Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine and Alice 啊。过完年这样回来，你怎么越来越年轻，越来越漂亮？真的，好像少了5岁呢。
哎呦，安自
你有保养哦。Yeah, I was just telling Alice that after Chinese New Year, she looks a lot younger, like at least 5 years younger for some reason.
你有没有共
I'm not kidding, okay? Even though that's our theme of the month. How do you say, are you kidding?
共 sale 嘅，
共 sale okay, or just kidding, all
那你
right?
要说我没有开玩笑。
Well,
爱莫共 sale。
共 sale. Okay, right. That means I wasn't lying, okay? All right. So sometimes we like to greet someone and say, oh, you look younger, you look prettier, you look thinner. So let's teach you scenarios associated with that, okay? 年轻 young.
后生
Hill-sang, that means young. Hill-sang, okay, 我不年轻了。所以就Hill-sang 是这样子吗？
某后生
某 Hill-sang
有啦。那海陆腔后生是后上
Hill-sang, okay.
后上
的年纪要往上，这样子。
后上
但是其实是年轻。That's a different dialect of saying young. 后上。All right. Now, like I said, some people may have a candy-coated mouth. You know, 有些人呢真的是嘴巴很甜，但有些人真的是就是很会形容人啦，对不对？所以我们讲一个人嘴甜 ，like you're so sweet, you like to candy coat things. OK， 我们说嘴甜怎么说？
嘴甜。
嘴甜，嘴就是嘴嘛，甜就是甜 ，right? So 嘴 is the mouth, 甜 is sweet. You have a sweet mouth, all right? Now, a lot of times we're actually telling the truth. Like what I just told Alice about 2 minutes ago. 2分钟前我是真心的这样子对 Alice 说这些话的。所以真心怎么说？
真心。
真心，真心不是要整形哦。
不是，整形就不会年轻了。
是的，好，我要讲我是真心的，教我一下吧。
我是真心的。
我是真心的。I'm just reaffirming that I was really truthfully telling the truth earlier. So let's review these terms. Young, 年轻。
后生。
后生 and then a sweet mouth, 嘴甜。
嘴甜。
嘴甜 and the truth, 真心。
真心。
真心 And this month's theme is all about just kidding, but I am really 真心 okay? 开玩笑的怎么说？
共 sale 嘅。
共 sale 嘅 And there you go, another practical Hakka on ICRT.
什么太高？
汉字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.